Hello, welcome back. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, so if you're still here watching, I appreciate it. I know it's kind of annoying when you get into watching somebody's videos and then they stop posting or don't post for a while. I get annoyed by that too, so I understand. But just to let you know, I did start another channel called Jolly Roger Craftworks. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's more of a project-based channel of other projects, small projects, besides just my camper. Hopefully be posting there a little more often, but I'll still continue to post here as I do updates occasionally. So I appreciate your subscription and continuing to watch, and if you're new here, then go ahead and hit subscribe, and welcome aboard. Guys, on this video I'm going to be working on modifications on the tongue for my micro camper. So as you can see here, I've got two tongue jacks, and this was kind of an experiment on my part. So the way my batteries are set, and with this tongue jack, when this camper is connected to my Jeep, I cannot open the back gate of my Jeep all the way. It hits the tongue, like even with the handle spun around, it hits like right here, unless I have the thing jackknifed all the way to the side. And I don't like that. So what I think I'm gonna do, I got this second tongue jack and bolted it on as a test to see how I liked it. And I don't like the fact that it's bolted on, so I'm probably gonna end up welding it on. But what I want to do is build a tray for these batteries, and instead of having the batteries go, like this, I want them to go across this way, so they're farther back. And then I'm going to cut this tongue jack off. That way, when I'm connected to the Jeep, I can just fold that one down, and it'll be out of the way. And the batteries will be far enough back that I'll be able to swing the tailgate of my Jeep open even when I'm connected to the trailer. So stick around, that's what we're going to do on this video, and I appreciate you being here to watch.
I've been hustling for so long. Oh, I've been thinking about the past and keeps me going on. Oh, and I can't stop, no, I don't stop. It's only I can see. Even if I end up all alone, I know my destiny. My mama told me we all bleed the same sun. Oh, prejudice and pride don't take me. Just always remember where you come from, 'cause I know you were born to break the chain. So I'm on my way. Yes, I'm leaving today. Are you right with me? See, I'm living that life, but I got a fire that burns so bright from the back road to the street. I've been long gone, so damn long, so don't tell me that you have to go.
Okay guys, so this is what I'm thinking. See, I just got a couple of pieces of angle iron here, and right now they're just sitting on top. And of course, they wouldn't extend out like this. I'd cut them off back here. I might even box them in on the ends on both sides. I was potentially thinking about possibly boxing them in right about here, and then later doing some sort of rack above the batteries that I could use to put some additional stuff. Maybe a generator at some point, a small one. And of course I just have these boxes sitting here empty right now. And then they're sitting in these metal that when I first started building this camper a couple years ago, I had found a welder on Craigslist and had him weld those up for me. Since then I've gotten my own welder, and I've not good by any means, but probably won't look pretty, but I'll be able to weld it and make it strong. So that's what I'm doing. Stick around.
But it always goes too far. Shoot him, pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. Got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, lay it down there again. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track. Jump on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now. Don't think twice. Hey, don't you wanna play? Say hey.
So here's my tray. Of course, it's just sitting on there right now. I was originally going to weld it on, but I think I may bolt it. Yeah, I may use this hole and put a bolt all the way through both of them. That way I can remove it if I ever need to. See what it's going to look like with both batteries on there. All right. So that's what it'll look like. And if you notice, right there was the front of my box, plus the overhang for the handles and stuff. Battery probably originally came out to about right here. So that saved me a good 6 to 8 inches or so space. Now, if I go ahead and cut this one off, I ought to have plenty of room to be able to swing my tailgate open. I just gotta drill the holes and give me some bolts. Not sure if I'm gonna reuse the ones I took off of there. They were pretty kind of rusty. But I'm gonna prime it, paint it. I'll drill the holes, prime it, paint it, and I'll get it mounted later. I think I'm done for today. Well, that's gonna be it for now. I appreciate y'all watching. If you like this video, like what I'm doing in the camper, hit like, subscribe, share the video, comment. And also don't forget my new channel, Jolly Roger Craftworks, link in the description. Like I said, a lot more project based on that channel besides just the camper. Doing some woodworking and some other stuff and building out a shop. So if you like that kind of stuff, go check that out and subscribe there also. But that's going to be it for today. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, have a good one.